Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Why don't you guys sit back and enjoy this video? Let's go for a ride. Okay guys, we broke a hood latch on the truck. Hopefully I can't see, so hopefully you can see it. I'm gonna go ahead and install it, show you what it takes. All right, so this is the hood latch that broke. As you see, the end is snapped off of it. I just went to close it yesterday at the shop, went dink, and it just broke. The hood latch cost me 38 bucks. I'm gonna install it myself because I don't want to pay whatever it costs. I gotta climb up on the tire to do so, but I also need to replace that windshield wiper blade, which is brand new, but it's burnt, so it's no good. Hold on. Okay, I also bought a set of Torx sockets because the little cheapies I got out of, I think I need to put fluid in. They didn't fill it all the way up when I got the truck back. But the little cheapies I got from Truck Stop that are hand, as you guys seen in the antenna cable video, I could not get the thing to break free. So we bought the sockets. We'll slowly get more tools on the truck as we need it. But let's climb up there and see what's up. And I'm sure you guys want to watch me climb up, so here, let me get you situated. Yeah. Now I'm using my hub cover and then the top of my tire, obviously. Get that out of the air cleaner box. And stand over here. All right, that's what we're dealing with here. So hopefully we can get the shot from back here. If so, great. If not, hey, we tried, right? So much easier with the ratchet. For any of you guys who are going to change your water pump belt and whatnot, there's directions right on top of this hood on which way it runs. Okay. Good news is it's the right one. No, this was not in warranty, they said. That's why I'm replacing it. That's all there is to it. That's it. And now she's installed. That's it. Boom, boom, shalom. Now let's change that windshield wiper blade. That may or may not be getting a shot. Brand new winter blade, but you can feel it's got burnt spots in it. Hard spots, I assume. I'm running it on a dry windshield, Melissa. Don't forget your hand began to foot wheel. You gotta take the old one out, which I don't have nothing to do that with. I don't know if it would work anyway. Oh, it worked anyway. Sweet. They would not. There. Done deal. Look at that. Now, they probably would have charged me a minimum labor charge of probably an hour or something. And forget that noise. Anyone wants to see what the engine looks like from up top? Here you go. She's dirty. I just had them clean it too when I was over there. They didn't do a very good job. I'm glad. I wonder how much water they got into my air box there. But let's put some fluid in there. I'm gonna go ahead and kill this. Hold on. All right, guys. So that's all done. Everything's put away. I'm gonna throw my trash away, and then go get some sushi. Go get some sushi, and then get on the road. We have a load going to Carson, California. Watch this. This is unique. Let's see. See that? That's got a shopping cart return. Okay. And then my old Prime jacket. This is called a trash can. What you do with this is you throw your trash away. Very simple. Just put it in the bin like that. Okay. Now, I generally, on these lightweight jackets, I'll get a new one every year because they get dirty, and even though you wash them, they don't come clean right. So, because you wear that thing almost every day in the winter time, I just throw it away and get a new one. And there she is, all her glory. Let's see how that hood latch works. Look at that. Bam, sham, my madam. And let's see if this one still's going good. Boom shakalaka, we're out.